Hi everyone, Pam here. Welcome to Rving with Pat and Pam. This is our 2004 Winnebago Journey that we purchased in 2003 while we were building our house on our property for over 2 years. We lived in it full time, and right now we've completed quite a few updates in it, and we plan on completing quite a few more updates on it, and hopefully in the next year we'll be able to be going full time. So come along with me and I'll show you all the things that we've done inside our motorhome. This is the vinyl plank flooring that we used in the motorhome, and it's by Corlux. And the adhesive we purchased at Home Depot. It runs about $33 a container. It's Robert's 2310 resilient flooring adhesive. And the flooring we purchased at Lumber Liquidators. I think for the whole motorhome we used approximately 6 boxes. It was around $500. And how many of these did we use?
3 or 4.
3 or 4 of the floor adhesives, and this was recommended by Home Depot and Lumber Liquidators. Come on in and I'll take you through the coach. Here we installed diamond plating on the walls as you head up into the coach, and we used Ipe Brazilian wood on the stair risers. And then come on up and I'll show you the vinyl flooring. It's really important that we talk about this floor because it took several weeks to install. There is a 1/4 inch gap between the metal plating where the seats sit and the rest of the coach, and we had to level that up. We used AC plywood from here on back, and that gave us a level surface so that we could glue the floor down to. Well, I think it turned out really great, and we're really proud of it. It is a major undertaking. I think that's why people have the professionals do it, and we do have a lot of experience. My husband's been in construction for many years, so it is something to think about if you're going to tackle a project like this. Have the valances that I redid. I used a diluted chalk paint that you can use on fabric. It's a chalk paint / milk paint, and these were a sage green, and I did 3 coats of the cream on here. Now this isn't something, even though they say that you can use this on fabric, I wouldn't use this on your couch or anything, but it turned out well for the valance. And the blinds are the same blinds because they're in a taupe color. And then on here I used a Valspar satin finish paint, house paint, and I took off the wallpaper that was on here, and it worked out really well. Also on the light fixtures I used a Rust-Oleum bronze to get rid of all the gold. And that worked out really well. I took off all the door handles and knobs, and I spray painted them in the bronze color. The 2004 Winnebago Journey is on a Freightliner chassis with a 330 Caterpillar engine, and it has a Norcold 3-way refrigerator, and we've had it for 15 years, and it runs really well. We haven't had any problems with it. Let me know what you think in the comments if you've had problems with yours. Now, I like to cook, so this is a combination convection microwave oven, and it's worked really well. And then I also have the propane gas stove here. And I want to show you what I did here. I took off the wallpaper, and I used real tile. This is glass tiles. They even have metal here on them. I used the stick-on tile at first, and then I realized it just didn't look good, so I peeled it off. And then we used this Simple Fix pre-mixed adhesive grout. And I have a tile saw, so I was able to cut the tile and put it up. Okay, in the bathroom vanity, we replaced the lighting with LED lighting, and I purchased this light off of Amazon. And again, I did the tile in a glass tile. I purchased these in 1-foot sheets from Home Depot, and I think I did about 4 sheets, and I used the same adhesive. And we also did the burnt bronze waterfall faucet here. And for the shower stall, I used the burnt bronze. And I'll go ahead and take you into the lavatory area. On the door, I did a spackle paint, which was kind of fun. And I glued the wooden decals on first. I did a rust paint over the door, and then I did a white spackle over the top. And then I found this really cute rack on eBay, and it was 1 square too big, so we cut 1 square off and it fit perfectly. In the lavatory area, I repainted everything, again the fixtures here, and also here we are wired for a washer and dryer combo, and we're going to be putting that in a few weeks. In the bedroom, we have a full-length lighted closet here, and then we have 3 more lighted closets here, and then we have 4 drawers down below. It's really a lot of room. And then here is one of the valances that I redid. When I took down the other valances, and I'll try and include a picture of it, I used them as stencils, and then this is the same blinds that we had before. Over here is wallpaper. It's actually stick-on wallpaper, so it was really easy to use. I purchased this on Amazon, and I think I used about 2 rolls, and we've redone the lighting in LED. And then over here is a regular cherry headboard, queen size, from Jocelyn, Maine, and we bolted it to the wall, and I painted it white with the chalkboard paint, and I sealed it with wax. Here is the other valance that I did in the cream color, and we have also installed a flat screen TV. These are insulated covers that I made for the front windows. This is actually ironing board fabric, and on the other side is regular quilted fabric, and then I sandwiched a sheet of Reflectix in between. We were in Arizona one summer, and the heat that came through the windows, it was really hard to keep the motorhome cool. So these have really helped out since I've made these. We are in the process of updating all of our electronics, but I want to thank everybody for watching our channel. Our next video is going to be on our fireplace and TV lift cabinet, so stay tuned for that. Hit the like and subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And thanks for watching Rving with Pat and Pam.